Yeah, hello guys. Now we will talk about the structure organization of the CPA firms. Maybe some of you wondering if you have the CPA certification, you already passed the CPA exam, and why you have to create the CPA firms? You actually can audit. You can actually officially make the audit business, yeah, with your certification as the CPA because you already passed the CPA exam. But some of the others users, yeah, like the firms, the big firms, it's actually wondering if you don't have any firms, they will question your credibility, yeah, competency, something like that. So this is the three main factors that influence that you have to create the CPA firms, and of course you have to get the organizational structure, yeah, in the CPA firms. So the first reason because they need your independence, yeah. They need your independence from the clients, yeah. The needs for independence from the clients. And the second, the importance of a structure to encourage the competence, yeah. It will make you look competent, yeah, something like that. And you have the team, yeah, the team to make the audit competent, yeah. Because once again, audit cannot, yeah, you actually can, but in the reality, you cannot do audit alone. You can audit with your team, yeah. What size of the team? It depends on the company, yeah. If only very a small company, yeah, like the simple business, not many transaction, yeah, you can do it alone. But yeah, once again, we will talk about the bigger the company, yeah, the bigger your fee, of course, yeah, your profit will be bigger. So yes, and the third reason because of this is important, the litigation risk faced by the auditor. So you can actually become the litigated person, or maybe you sue someone to have the litigation. Yeah, so it will be end in the court. Yeah, because once again we actually assure something. We do a business that assure something. Yeah, the financial information. We assure the financial information is accurate. Yeah, the quality of the information. So yeah. All of the auditor have the litigation risk, so it's more safely if you have the structure organization, if you build the CPA firms, yeah, because it's have the based on the law regulation, yeah. And this is the two structure in Indonesia that recognize the CPA firms. Only two. If you take a look in the other PPT in the US, it's actually recognized, yes, this is six structure organization, yeah. But yeah, of course, we only recognize two, and with this the LLP, yeah, the limited liability partnership. I will explain it later. And yes, in Indonesia we actually call it perseorangan, persekutuan perdata, firma, and the others organization structure. This is like the LLP, yeah, the LLP. LLP means you have the affiliation. Yeah, in here you can see the affiliation of the Big Four, yeah, something like that. The affiliation with the CPA firms, the other CPA firms, yeah. It's called LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. So you have the limited liability with the other CPA firms partnership, yeah, something like that. So you use their standard, yeah, to sort your company, you sort your CPA firms to the client, something like that. So yes, this three is the most common structure organization in Indonesia. So actually there is no PT, yeah, there is no PT because once again this is the only business of the CPA firms. Actually, you can do the audit without the firms because once again, yeah, you can officially audit if you pass the CPA exam, yeah, something like that. And yes, that's about the structure organization, yeah. Once again, the proprietorship and the partnership. The proprietorship is like the perseorangan, yeah. persekutuan firma, ya. Partnership is yes, the LLP, yeah, something like that. And yes, after the organization structure, we will have to know about the hierarchy. Yes, the hierarchy in the CPA firms. If you want to make a career in the CPA firms, yes, this is your career in the summary. Yes, and of course, the first level, yeah, the very first level, if you are a fresh graduate without any experience of the work, yeah, you will assign in with the title of the staff assistant, or in Indonesia we call it auditor junior or junior auditor, yeah, staff assistant. And the experience accumulated in this level actually 0 until 2 years. Yeah, but yeah, don't take a look with the timeline. Yeah, in here just the estimation, the average. You will stay the staff assistant in maybe 0 until 2 years. But actually, look at the responsibility. If you only have this kind of responsibility, it means you are a staff assistant only, not the senior one. So if you only do the job to perform only for the detail audit works, it means you are the junior auditor. Yes, you are only staff assistant. You only assist, yeah, assist the other auditors. Yeah. So yeah, actually, if in the field work, if you only do this kind like things, maybe only 0 until 2 years, yeah, in the field work. But depends on your performance, depends on the condition in the CPA firms. Maybe only 1 year you actually become the senior auditor, or maybe you can stay 5 years, yeah, without any improvement. Yeah, it's depends on you, depends on your competence and luck. Sorry, I have to mention this one. Luck, very important. So yes. Sorry. Okay. So the next level is the senior auditor, or we call it the in-charge auditor in the field work. Okay. It usually takes 2 until 5 years, yeah, in this level, yeah. But actually, look at the responsibility. If your job actually increase, yeah, the responsibility in the wide range, yeah, the responsibility is for the audit of field work. You responsible for the audit field work. What is audit field work? Audit field work, it means you come to the client field work, not only in your CPA firm. Not, you actually come to the company, to your client, to do the audit on there. Yeah, so it means if the company, your client, is open from the 8 a.m. until maybe 5 p.m., yes, you actually have to go on there 8 a.m. and go back to your CPA firms 5 p.m. Yeah, so you actually follow their rules, and yes, including the supervising the staff work. Yeah, supervising staff assistant. Yeah, to give the direction. Yeah, direction how to work this working paper, how to do the audit, how to check the document, something like that. Yeah, supervise their works. Actually takes 2 until 5 years. Once again, it's not really accurate, but take a look with the responsibility. That's what your level is. And of course, after that is the manager. Okay, manager, it's actually, yeah, in here it's stated 5 until 10 years. It's pretty accurate. Maybe it's maybe too fast. Yeah, it's once again depends on two, competence and luck. Yeah, something like that. And this is the responsibility. Yeah, the manager level, it's actually not do the field work anymore. Yeah, they have to arrange the plan, the audit plan, manage the audit team. Yeah, review all the works of the audit team, and the works with the client. Yeah, have the meeting, something like that. Yeah, and yeah, this is the responsibility of the manager. And actually, in the top position is the partner. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, it's not really accurate. Yeah, but yeah, of course 10 or more years. So I mean, all of you can become a partner. Yeah, all of you, yeah, what kind of background, what kind of education you have, you all can have the partners. It's not limited in the family firms, not like the family firms, only the family member can be in the top. No, CPA firms, yeah, free for all. You all can be a partner. Of course, once again, depends on your competency and your luck. Okay, and this is the responsibility. You actually review the audit works in sum and make the audit decision. Of course, you have to sign the report also. Yeah, so this is the explanation about the hierarchy. Yeah, actually, yeah, in based my experience and my friends in Indonesia, it's pretty accurate, yeah, in the junior auditor, 0 until 2 years. It's pretty accurate. And yes, senior, something like this, but maybe more. Maybe I would like to say the senior, it's like, maybe here or maybe here. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, maybe 7 years. Maybe, yes. Okay. Yeah, maybe 5 lah. So, but after this level, yeah, after the senior level, there is one level again. It's called below the manager. It's called supervisor, or it's called assistant manager. And yes, usually, yeah, if I would like to say the assistant manager or the supervisor, the experience it's 5 until 10 years. Yeah, the average that I know. Because my friends is actually become the manager, it's assistant manager, something like this. And yes, after 10 years, you can become the manager, yeah. And to become a partner, now this is very difficult, yeah, because once again, yeah, you have to become a very competent person, yeah, and have the incredible luck, yeah, with your client, with your flow of the work, something, all many factors, yes. And I would like to say maybe in the partner, maybe something like 15 years or maybe or more, yeah, something like that. Depends on the situation of the CPA firms. Yes, so this chapter, this video is recap about the organizational structure and the hierarchy. And next, yeah, we will talk about the popular, yeah, the KGA. Okay, next. See you in the next video.